Alright friends, welcome back. The reason why we have this new video series for JavaScript arrays is because we're going to talk about methods in arrays. In the previous videos we introduced what arrays are and the do's and don'ts of arrays. In this video I'm going to take you a bit deeper into arrays, and the real power of arrays lies in its methods. In this example we're going to do the ToString method. Let's open up the doctype HTML example. HTML. Open up the HTML tag. Open up the body tag. Open up the paragraph tag and say the ToString. Okay, that's the method function. What else do we call it? Method or function? Method function. And there was one more term. I'm missing it right now. Okay, let it come back to me, then I'll tell you. Returns an array as a comma separated string. Okay, and let's close the. Alright, close the paragraph tag and open up another paragraph tag and say id is equal to demo. Okay, and close the paragraph tag and open up the script tag var fruits is equal to banana, orange, apple, mango. Close the square bracket. Document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to fruits dot toString. Close the script tag, close the body tag, and close the html tag. Alright, let's save this file as save as. Okay, I'm going to say JavaScript array method 1 and also save it as html save. Find the file. Okay, so the ToString method returns an array as a comma separated string. Okay, because you are actually, what you're doing is you're putting together the array elements, and it kind of makes sense because if the array elements are, they belong to the same group. For example, these are fruits, so you want to display them intelligently. You want to display them in meaningfully. So let's look at more examples of JavaScript array methods. Okay, there's another method called JavaScript, actually it's called join method. It will yield the same result as the JavaScript ToString, but remember ToString is more powerful. Okay, ToString is going to convert anything that you write into string, whereas join will just combine them into one straight line. Okay, HTML, we'll see what happens. Oh, I did not close my caps here. Okay, and body, and open up the paragraph tag and say the join method joins array elements into a string, period. Okay, open up the paragraph tag and say id is equal to demo. Open up the script tag var fruits is equal to banana, orange, apple, mango. Document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to fruits dot join. Okay, and you're going to join it with the star sign. Interesting. See, that's the difference. In the ToString method, you did not have to pass any argument. It would automatically put a comma sign between two array elements. But for the join, you need to tell it that separate each element with the star sign, or whatever sign you add there, it's going to put it between the elements. Okay, let's save this file as, all right, file, save as, this is second method here, and also save it as .html. Save. Let's find the file. There you go, it's separated by the star sign. Let's check out another example. All right, there is this another example which is very interesting actually. It's called popping and pushing. Okay, when you work with arrays, it is easy to remove elements and add new elements. So this method will teach you how you can pop away elements and push in elements. Okay, what you need to do is just get started with me. Doc type HTML. Open up the HTML tag. Open up body tag. Open up the paragraph tag and say the pop method removes the last element from an array. Okay. Now let's create a button, and when you click the button, button on click is equal to you invoke the function called my function. Yeah, that's right, functions, methods, and functions, methods, and there was one more word. Okay, I can't remember three words at the same time. Try it and right button here. All right, so open up the paragraph tag and say id is equal to demo. Close the paragraph tag. All right, and open up the script tag, and within the script tag I want you to write var fruits is equal to banana, orange, apple, mango. Close the square bracket. Document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to fruits. Okay, let's close the curly bracket. Okay, fruits. All right, sorry, open up the function my function. Yes, the curly bracket comes within the function. Whenever we declare a function, we always open up the curly bracket. Function or method, same thing. Fruits dot pop. Then we have document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to fruits. Close the curly bracket, close the script tag, close the body tag, and close the html tag. All right, let's save this file as third method, and I'll show you how you can pop. Okay, yes, fruits.pop. File save as also as html dot html. Save, and let's find this file here. Great. Now what you're going to do is the pop method removes the last element from an array. You try it and it's going to remove everything till there's nothing to pop. Okay, refresh it and it's going to start all over again. All right, now let's look at the push method. Okay, the thing is, this is not something new. The push method that you're about to do, you've done this previously with the date. Okay, and with also in the video in which I was introducing the arrays. Open up the HTML tag, open up the body tag, open up the paragraph tag, and say the push method appends a new element to an array. Okay, button on click is equal to my function try it. Close the button tag, open up the paragraph tag and say id is equal to demo. Okay, and close the paragraph tag. Open up the script tag, var fruits is equal to banana, comma, orange, comma, apple, comma, mango, and close the box. All right, document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to fruits function my function. Okay, open up the curly bracket, fruits dot push kiwi. Okay, document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to fruits. Okay, close the curly bracket and say script, close the body tag and close the HTML tag. Let's save this file as file, save as, and this is, I believe, the fourth method. And I also need to save it as all files .html. Save, and let's run the file. Try it. It's going to add kiwi because you are going to push kiwi. Fruits.push. Okay, you could also create a loop here, and the loop could add, intelligent items. It could add items like, for example, numbers. It could add items, whatever happens in a series, any kind of series you could execute through a loop, and the push method will keep adding, because if you keep adding kiwi, it doesn't make any sense. But the idea was to demonstrate that you can add or take away elements from an array using the pop and push method. Let's look at what's next. Okay, the other example that I have here is shifting and unshifting elements in an array. Alright, if you look at this example here, the doc type, open up the doc type tag and say HTML. Open up the HTML tag, open up the body tag, open up the paragraph tag and say the shift method removes the first element of an array, comma, and shifts all other elements one place up. Okay, we'll see that when we run the program. Let's create a button again, and when you click the button, you call the function, which is called my function again. Okay, and the label of this function, of this button, is try it. All right folks, let's go to the next line. Paragraph id is equal to demo. Close the paragraph tag. Open up the script tag. Var fruits is equal to banana, orange, apple, mango. Close the box, the square bracket. End of statement marker. Document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to fruits. Okay, function, my function. Okay, open up the paragraph tag, the function curly bracket. I have a spelling here. Okay, function, I'll check this again before I run, don't worry. And then fruits dot shift. Okay, and then document dot get element by id. This entire block of code is being accessed when you click the button. Okay, dot inner html is equal to fruits. Okay, and close the function and the script. Notice the function is always within the script. Okay, and the body tag, and I need you to end the HTML tag. Let's save this file. File, save as 5. Yes, let's just save the text first, and then I need to save the files as html dot html save. All right, and I also need to run this file. Okay, the shift method removes the first element of an array and shifts all other elements one place up. Try it. Okay, now this is not removing, this is shifting one place up. When you shift orange to banana's place, banana is shifted out of the list like this. When you shift apple to orange's place, orange is shifted out of the list like this. When you shift mango to apple's place, apple is shifted out of the list like this. And when you shift mango to the position 0, okay, mango is already, in position 0, and when you shift, it's going to go out of the memory, entirely out of the memory. Okay, so let me sign off this video at this point, and in the next video we're going to continue with the shift and unshift. Next video I will do the example on unshift. All right, and then we'll try to appreciate the difference between pop, push, shift, unshift. See you shortly.